Hello everyone. Today we will start exercise 3.4. Okay. First question is, tell whether the following is certain to happen. Certain to happen means in any condition it will happen. Impossible, can happen but not certain. Okay. Can happen but not certain. Then it is not compulsory that it will happen. So out of these three choices, you have to find your answer. You are older today than yesterday. In comparison to yesterday, your today's age is more than yesterday. Yes, possible. So answer is certain to happen. Your answer is certain to happen because it is possible that in comparison to yesterday, you are older today. A tossed coin will land heads up. When you toss a coin, what you will get? It can be tail also and it can be head also. But every time you will get head, not. It can happen but not certain. So what is your option here? Answer can happen but not certain. It can happen also, but it is not possible every time. A dice when tossed shall land up with 8 on top. When you toss a die, so what are the number on dice? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Total number on dice are 6. So how 8 can come on the top of dice? So it is impossible because 8 is not there. Your answer is impossible. Okay. Now second question. There are 6 marbles in a box with number 1 to 6. So I am marking here marbles 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. These are the 6 marbles with number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 6 marked on each of them. Now your question is, what is the probability? Probability means chances. What is the probability of drawing a marble with number 2? If you randomly select any marble, so what are the chances that you will get number 2 marble? So first of all you have to learn formula. What is formula? Probability of any event. Suppose we are drawing marble, so drawing marble is a event. Probability of event is favorable outcomes upon total number of outcomes. So you can write total outcomes. You can write total outcomes also. Now what is favorable outcome and total outcome? Total outcome means how many options you have? Total option you have 6. So this becomes your total outcomes. And what actually you want in question? You want a marble with number 2. So how many marbles are there with number 2? Only one marble. So this will become your favorable outcome. So 1 upon 6 is your answer. Okay, 1 upon 6 is your answer. Okay, next we will do second part of this question. Now second part of this question, what is the probability of drawing a marble with number 5? Same formula we will use. Okay, probability okay. What is our event? Here in place of E you can write drawing a marble with number, drawing a marble with number 5. Okay, this is your event. Okay, event means, actual event means this. So what is the probability of drawing a marble with number 5? Again same, favorable outcomes. This is the formula upon total outcomes, or you can write total number of outcomes also. Total outcomes. Again, how many marbles you have? You have total 6 marbles. And what you want? A marble with number 5. Remember, with number 5, not 5 marbles. You have to draw a marble with number 5. A single marble. Okay, so how many marbles with number 5 are there? 1 marble. So this is your favorable outcome. And total outcomes means how many marbles we have in all total? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. This is your solution. So in both the part you will get same answer. So question based on probability you will use, for solving this question you will use this formula. Okay.